Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. I put a lot of risk on this trade, y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and joke with you. That's AUD USD at 7100 at 8 o'clock. It's 7:45 right now. 14 minutes left. Bought it in at 7100, and the price of the indicative right now is 70.91. I'm up 13 grand. So this gonna be like a 20 grand trade on the 50 that I had. So I knew the trade was gonna be winning. So let's take a look at the trade. That's USD JPY. Let's get on the right pair. There we go. Let's get a line here at 7100. There we go. Oh, what the fuck? Excuse my language, y'all. All right, that is my strike rate right there. Strike price, excuse me. And the market is 79.91, and it's moving down. So if you look, this is a pretty good entry. This is a pretty good entry, and you can go across the board and take a look at this. You made good entries on these trades. You were the one on the 1 hour and 2 hour trades. Except right here, you would have lost. You would have lost here. Right here, you would have came here and cut this movement down. Boom, that's a win. Right here on the upside movement, you possibly would have lost. You may have to be going up to a higher price in this range to buy the market, which was 7105. Which I bought today, earlier today. I won on here, right here, earlier today. No, it was here, earlier today. I caught this upside movement here, and won on that. Little small victory, wasn't too big. I think I made $1,000 on it. I mean, on far as this count goes. But I'm not gonna talk you guys to death. I still got 10-15 minutes left, so I'm gonna go make a move and get back with you guys in just a moment. Yo, under 30 seconds to go, we're at 70.94, so account should be about at close to 70,000, between 18,000 and I didn't do the math on this here, but 600 contracts, y'all. That's a lot. But you knew the trade was gonna win. As you can see, boom, we in there. Like swim up. Yes, sir. In there like swim up, baby. Hold on. It's gonna be hit. Boom, 69,000. There we go. Alex Jenkins checking out.